So we just got done building a view to display an About the Author block in the sidebar. We haven't actually positioned it yet, but we fully created the content and we have supplied the proper contextual filter in order to display it properly on a node page. Let's go ahead and display the view, and then we'll come back and we're going to recreate something very similar using panels and relationships inside of panels, and get to explore some of the additional features of panels that we haven't talked about yet. So the way that we're going to display our About the Author block is similar to how we've displayed other blocks so far. We're going to use the context module. We're going to create a new context for our blog post page and place it there. So I'm going to go to Structure and Context, and let's click Add. Now the reason we're not using an existing context is because neither of our existing contexts really match up with how we want to place content now. We're going to have a set of 4 different blocks on the side that we're going to display just on blog post pages. So this is an original context, one that stands alone, that doesn't share anything with the other contexts that we've created. So we're going to call this context blog entry page. We'll leave the tag as empty, and for the description we'll put blog entry page. For our conditions, this is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to select the blog node type, so we'll select node type, and we'll select blog entry, and we'll set it to not display on the node form, because we only really want to display these blocks on the public-facing blog entry page. Okay? And so the reaction that we're going to have is that we're going to display a block. So we'll select blocks. We'll scroll down here on the right-hand side and down to views and select the view About the Author blog entry based. And we want to display this in the second sidebar, the right sidebar. So we'll click Add here. And so now we have our condition, we have our reaction, and let's click Save. We'll exit out of this and then navigate to a blog page. I'll click Content in the menu, and then we'll go to How Macaroni is Made. And we have our About the Author here. And then Betty Davis's information is displaying here.